Good morning. I thought I would show you guys my day. Which involved me eventually getting up. It is like, what time? It's only 8 o'clock. After that, waking up, this is about all I do.
What do you think, Seth? It's crazy.
Ah!
And over 18 pages long, with over 146 choices, the Pirate's menu is not only a burden on the kitchen, but on customers as well. On average, customers spend 109 seconds reading and deciding their menu choice. Beyond this point, research shows customers become fatigued, and they buy less. In order to gauge Giussiano's cooking, Chef Capon watches him prepare a signature Pirate's dish.
I call it burning beets. That's chicken and habanero. Okay, try it.
Yeah, this is about all I do all day.
Right. Do it.
So I don't really have a life. So, say bye, little meowy thingy. I'm barely awake, and it's 3 now, so it's really all I do all day. Other than edit. I'm gonna edit this video.